spray it into their nose. It's a single shot, and naloxone would then go into their system, and if they have opioids in their system, then that's going to bring them back.
Back from being yet another statistic in the war against opioid overdoses that in 2018 claimed 1,444 lives citywide. While that represents a drop of 38 when compared to 2017, several neighborhoods surrounding Lincoln Medical Center continue to be disproportionately impacted. At a public education forum at the hospital located at 149th Street, Noah Isaacs, a senior director with the New York City Health and Hospitals Corporation, shared the content of this free overdose rescue kit.
Inside are actually 2 doses of Narcan nasal spray, which is another name for naloxone.
Along with handing out free kits, the hospital is hosting public education and responder training forums for both health professionals and everyday residents that want to help, like Edna Baez, a home care attendant.
There's a lot of people in the communities around our areas that do have this problem. So it would be good for them to have somebody to help them out, just in case an emergency.
Hoping one day I'll save somebody's life.
Jacqueline Rosa, who lives nearby, lost her father to an overdose. She shared she now wants to get trained to prevent this from happening to another family.
Maybe this training right here will help me, learn how to save life. It will help me have a positive impact around people that's, need help.
We have been involved in the Narcan distribution program now for almost 18 months. We've distributed 500 kits here at Lincoln alone.
Along with this, hosting the forum is a way to further empower residents.
We want to continue to encourage residents in our community to come by Lincoln, pick up a kit, because you never know when you're going to need it to apply it to a loved one, to a friend, to a stranger as you walk into the subway.
The kits are available at Lincoln Medical Center and other public hospitals citywide. For more information on this and education forums, go to nychealthandhospitalscorporation.org/Lincoln. For BronxNet, this is Arlene Makoko.